Rising majestically from the sands of Egypt, the Great Pyramid of Giza has stood for over 4,500 years. It is a marvel of engineering, an enduring symbol of human ingenuity, and a source of countless mysteries. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover its secrets. Built during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, this ancient wonder was constructed with over 2.3 million limestone blocks. But how did the ancient Egyptians achieve such a monumental feat? Some historians suggest the use of sledges and ramps. Recent discoveries, however, hint at even more sophisticated methods. Let's delve deeper into the construction techniques. New evidence points to an ingenious water-based lubrication system used to reduce friction on the sledges. This would have significantly eased the transport of massive stones. But the mysteries of the pyramid go beyond its construction. Inside, an intricate network of chambers and passageways tells a story of ancient beliefs and practices. The King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, and the Grand Gallery each holds clues to the spiritual significance of this monumental structure. Aligned with the constellation Orion, the pyramid reflects the Egyptians' deep connection with the stars. Was it a map of the heavens? A message to the gods? Modern science has unveiled hidden voids within the pyramid, opening new questions about its purpose and design. These discoveries remind us that the Great Pyramid still holds secrets waiting to be revealed. A testament to human ambition and the mysteries of antiquity, the Great Pyramid of Giza invites us to dream, explore, and wonder. What will we uncover next? Only time will tell.